Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem that involves finding two elements in an array whose absolute difference is as close as possible to a given integer without exceeding it. This task challenges us to work with loops, comparisons, and conditions. By the end of the session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to approach and solve such problems. The goal here is to find two elements in the array whose absolute difference is as close as possible to the given integer, n, but without exceeding it. For instance, in the array of 12, 10, 33, 34, with n being 10, the pair 12 and 10 gives the maximum difference of 2. With n being 24, the pair 33 and 34 gives the maximum difference of 24. This ES5 implementation works by iterating through each pair of elements in the array, calculating the absolute differences, comparing the difference to the given integer n, and updating the maximum value if the difference satisfies the condition. At the end, the function returns the largest difference found. The solution involves systematically checking all pairs of elements in the array. First, a nested loop ensures every pair is evaluated. Second, we calculate the absolute difference and compare it to n. Third, if the difference is valid and greater than the current maximum, we update the result. This approach guarantees that we find the largest possible difference within the given constraints. Let's break down the examples. For the array of 12, 10, 33, 34, with n being 10, the largest difference is 2 from 12 and 10. With n being 24, the largest difference is 24 from 33 and 34. The logic ensures that all pairs are evaluated and the best result is found. The ES6 version introduces modern syntax for clarity and conciseness. This includes arrow functions for cleaner code, let for block-scoped variables. The logic remains identical to the ES5 version. In summary, this program effectively finds the largest possible absolute difference between two array elements within a given constraint. It's a great example of nested loops and conditional logic in action. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next